welcome back to my channel. So this video is like regarding the products of Mamaearth. So I wanted to use the products of Mamaearth from a very long time because I have seen so many reviews, and I was really excited to use the products from Mamaearth. So finally I have received some products from Mamaearth, and now I'm going to give a small review of the products I have received. So today this video is about skincare, so I'm just going to give a quick review of the product I'm going to show you, because I have been using it from last 1 week. So the first thing which I want to share with you about the brand Mamaearth is it claims that it is a plastic positive brand, and they claim that they recycle more plastic than they use. So the first product I'm going to share is the Mamaearth Charcoal Face Scrub with charcoal and walnut for deep exfoliation, and it claims that it is paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested, and it is for normal to oily skin. So the net content of this packet is 100 gram, and the price is let me check, 349 rupees. So the direction says that apply adequate amount of charcoal face scrub on wet face and neck. Massage gently with your fingertip in a circular motion. Concentrate scrubbing your forehead, nose and chin. Rinse off with water and pat dry. Use at least twice a week for best result. So this product I have used for 1 week. I have used it 3 times a week, and this is a really good product because I can see the change after using it. It cleans very deep, and after using this, the skin feels really smooth. So I think if you want to go for a good scrub, you can really buy it, because it is natural product, as it has no chemical and paraben and silicone free. This really suits my skin. So if you want to try it, you can go for it and you can buy it. So the next thing which I am going to share is the under eye cream, and trust me guys, this works like magic. And I had 2 or 3 exams last week, and I was really working for it. I had dark circles, so I used it for 1 week, but I cannot say that it's totally gone, but I can see the difference, that there is a little bit difference. So this is the product. As you can see, it says Bye Bye Dark Circle Eye Cream with cucumber and peptides. So it is also silicone and paraben free. It is for dark circles specially, and it says also it suits all skin type. So I really like this product. This is also a very good product. It is a 20 gram product, and the price is 399. So yeah, it is a little bit expensive. So if you really want to invest on it, I don't think that you will regret. So if you really want to buy it, you can go for it. I'll give the link in the description box. And ये दोनों प्रोडक्ट ही मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा काम किया है और कर रहा है, बट आई डोंट नो थोड़े दिन यूज करके उतना अच्छे से कुछ बोला भी नहीं जा सकता. सो आई विल गिव अ डिटेल रिव्यू आफ्टर completing the whole product, after using the whole product. So yeah, that's all for today's video. मुझे ये दोनों प्रोडक्ट रिसीव हुए थे, मैंने इसका बहुत सारा रिव्यू भी देखा, तो आई जस्ट थॉट कि मे बी आई कैन शेयर इट विथ यू गाइज. सो इफ यू वांट टू बाय दिस, अभी Mamaearth पे ऑफर भी चल रहा है, यू विल गेट 50% ऑफ, और मे बी यू कैन गेट ऑल्सो 20% ऑफ. सो इफ यू वांट टू बाय इट, यू कैन गो एंड चेक इट आउट. आई विल गिव द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. एंड Mamaearth के प्रोडक्ट्स आपको कोई भी साइट से मिल जाएगा, नायका या फिर Amazon, कोई भी साइट से मिल जाएगा. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो बाई इट फ्रॉम द ऑफिशियल साइट, Mamaearth का वेबसाइट. सो वहाँ पे ऑफर्स ऑल टाइम 15% या 20% ऑफ का ऑफर चलता ही रहता है. सो यू कैन गो फॉर इट. सो या दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. आई जस्ट थॉट कि मुझे ये रिसीव हुआ है, सो आई कैन जस्ट शेयर इट विथ यू गाइज, बिकॉज मैंने ये बहुत सारे रिव्यूज़ देखे थे, तो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शेयर कि ये मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है. सो या दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. मे बी आई विल सी यू इन ए न्यू वीडियो, बिकॉज मुझे और कुछ पार्सल रिसीव होने वाले हैं. सो आई विल शेयर दोज हॉल्स विथ यू गाइज टू. सो तब तक के लिए बाय एंड टेक केयर एंड बी सेफ.